Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. If it is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a skincare review type video. If you guys want to get unready with me, we're just going to be talking about just skincare updates and how my skin is doing ever since that major scare that I had with the Burt's Bees products that I was using. I did film a tutorial on, rather a video on that experience. I'm gonna link that so you guys can see it. But if you guys want to see and hear about my skincare update, just keep on watching. Okay, so you guys know that recently I had this terrible experience with Burt's Bees products that I purchased for my skin. I wanted to start a skincare regimen that I was following every day, you know, so I could feel like I had some type of skincare process, skincare routine that I was following every day. So I purchased these products and things didn't turn out to be really great. I'm going to link that so you guys can see that video. I ramble a lot about my horror experience. You guys can tell I still have, it's just really bad. It was really affecting my jawline and neck area and my chin area. Like I even started breaking out around my neck, which was ridiculous. Who breaks up around their neck? I don't know who, but I did. Today I'm just going to give you an update on how my skin is doing. Clearly it's not fully where I want it to be in terms of recovery. However, I'm taking baby steps. You know, I'm pacing myself and not putting so much pressure on my skin. You can tell I'm still breaking out here around my neck. I was breaking out a lot on my neck, my jawline, and my chin area, just mainly around this lower area, and it was really frustrating. But I'm gonna show you the products that I have been using lately that have been helping my skin, you know, through that whole restoration process. So I'm just gonna show you guys that you can see it. Okay, so the products that I've been using to help my skin get back to how it used to be, not breaking out a lot and having a lot of blemishes, is the Cerave Forming Facial Cleansers. This is for oily to normal skin. I used to use this face wash prior to using the Burt's Bees products, and it worked wonders. I mean, I had no problem with this face wash. The first time I started using Cerave products was when my dermatologist recommended them 2-3 years ago, when I used to see a dermatologist religiously, and the products work amazing. I mean, they have ingredients in there that are dermatology recommended, so it's a highly recommended product to use. I used to use it, like I said, in the past, and it was amazing. So it was the first product I gravitated towards when I was in restoration mode, like panic mode. I need to fix my face. What the hell is going on? Now for the moisturizer that I've been using, it's the Cetaphil moisturizing face cream. I like this product. It's not scented, it's really light. And one thing that I notice about face products, especially if you have sensitive skin, is you want to use a product that does not have a lot of scent. Like scented products, I feel like they aggravate the skin. If you have sensitive skin, that's one thing you want to steer away from, a really strong scented product. I did talk about this Aveeno Clear Complexion face moisturizer in one of my videos. I used it, and when I was purchasing it, the first thing that I noticed was that it was scented. So that was a red flag, but because it's Aveeno and I have used Aveeno in the past, I thought that it would work, so I decided to purchase it. But then shortly after, stopped using it because I noticed that it was not helping the situation. But yeah, these are the two products that I have been using. Honestly, they are helping my skin get back to normal and how it used to be. I'm not using any toners. I know I need to use some toners, especially since I wear makeup a lot. I like using a 3-step cleansing method and technique for just making sure my skin is clear and free of makeup at the end of the day when I'm cleaning up. So I'm just pacing myself to see how my skin is going to receive new products that I'm going to be introducing it to. So for now, I feel safe just using Cerave and Cetaphil. I haven't done any research on toners that Cetaphil or Cerave brands could have. There's probably a ton of toners there that these brands have, but I haven't really looked into it. So that's going to be my next step. But before I do that, I just want to slowly work with a few products and not overwhelm my skin with a lot of products. So that's the update I wanted to give you guys. Like I said, I'm still breaking out a little bit, as you can tell, but it's not extreme like I was breaking out in that video that you guys just saw. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start getting my makeup off. I'm gonna be using a wet paper towel because I ran out of makeup wipes, and this is a good alternative to removing makeup. I need to also start looking for, once my skin gets back to normal, I need to start looking for cleansing oils that my skin will be receptive to. Because my first, clearly you guys know, my first cleansing oil experience was with the Burt's Bees cleansing oil, and we already know how that went. So I am going to wait until, you know, my skin feels better, and then I can start using a cleansing oil that it would feel, my skin will feel comfortable with. So if you guys don't have, like if you run out of face wipes, use a paper towel, a warm paper towel. Just put it in hot water and it will take care of you. You'll fix the problem. You take your makeup off. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off my earrings because now I'm gonna clean the face. Now I'm gonna put some face wash on my Ultimate Spa brush. I use this brush to take off my makeup every day. It's amazing. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I use this brush every day and where I got it from, I'm gonna link that in the description. I created a video on it a while back, so I will link that so you guys can take a look at it. I like to go down my neck like this because I do apply makeup down my neck. So I try and make sure that I get those areas too when I'm cleansing my face. And I like that this brush has different levels of strength. Right now I'm using the highest intensity level because I want to get a deep cleanse. Now I'm gonna wipe off with a paper towel. This is a warm paper towel. Ooh, feels good. One thing I'm liking about the CeraVe, well, I've always liked about the CeraVe face wash, is that it's very light. It doesn't feel heavy on your skin. You know those products that you use sometimes and it just feels really thick and just heavy in your skin? This face wash does not feel that way, which is super duper cool. I like that. I want you guys to see, I'm gonna zoom in the camera. Do you guys see that I'm still breaking out? Just a little bit. So we're getting progress. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the shower, and when I'm done with that, I will come and apply the face moisturizer, the Cetaphil moisturizer, on camera so you guys can see that, and then that'll be it. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I'm just cleaning up the extra Vaseline that I just applied on my lips. I look like I just ate a whole pig with all this grease on my lips. But I just jumped out of the shower and my skin feels good. It feels really fresh. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply Cetaphil face moisturizer. I just put a little bit because it's really hot and I don't want to sweat. Just put it across my face like that. And I rub it into my face and I come down to my neck. Like that. Do you guys like this type of videos? Let me know down below in the comments if you like skincare type videos and me letting you know how I'm struggling with my skin on the journey of finding something that really works. I mean, not that these products don't work, but you know, just having a routine and a skincare regimen that I follow. So I hope this video was informative for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the love and the support. I truly do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like and comment, hit the subscribe button, do all that fun cool stuff. Okay, I'll see you guys later.